some?
Welcome back to the CRLM Travels. Some of our favorite travel memories come from simple moments, and this hike is definitely going to be one of them. Today we're taking you along on one of our favorite Hawaii experiences as we walk the trail to the summit of Diamond Head.
No, it formed all the lands.
From sweeping ocean and beach views to historic World War II structures along the path, this iconic volcano offers a perfect mix of natural beauty, history, and meaningful moments. Join us as we explore Diamond Head, take in the scenery, and create memories our family, especially our son, will never forget.
Is this cool, buddy?
Now we're inside the funnel. All right, guys, we're at base camp at Diamond Head. Max's base camp. It's gonna be a strenuous 500-foot climb to the top of the volcano.
Really, actually?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Well, you ready for that?
Wait.
Doesn't look like it.
Wait, what?
The parking spot. And park. This is the bathroom. It is a last chance to use the restroom and fill your water bottle. That's what we did, right? And then we start cooking and we flip it. And we start climbing. You ready? Let's go.
200 feet. Foot. 200 foot. Dad, what if this challenge? That would be even funner, right?
Challenges.
Yeah.
Lila needs a break. Base camp 1. Base camp 1. We've probably went 100 feet in elevation.
Okay, bye.
Oh man.
And honey, if we get to a point where we can't go anymore, we can just turn around, okay?
I'll carry you. You're gonna make it up. We gotta get to the top. I gotta see the other side.
So high.
We're doing a good job so far, guys. It's really steep right here, okay?
You need energy.
Energy.
I wonder actually what the view is on top.
Well, do you worth it to taste different than food?
What are those?
Look at this. Beautiful, let's keep going. I guess we're almost to the top.
Tiny.
Like itty bitty. Oh my, that looks cool.
Does look cool.
See the ocean.
How's this trip so far, bud?
Pretty good.
Up the mountain, that's fun.
Yeah. That's a high point.
Yeah. You can see it right. There was our hat. Okay. Oh, thank you. Yeah.
Oh, don't let it blow off. Why? Don't look down. Yeah, actually.
You want me to do again?
Oh, why would jump off
You're right there, bud.
and down so hard?
Thanks, get on the right hand side, bud.
Okay, stop. It's scary.
It's all good. Alright.
I'm doing the steps.
You're doing the steps?
Yeah, where?
Right here.
To the top.
Next to the top.
Oh, it's a loop? It's a loop? Oh, okay. Maybe we'll go around this way. I got you. So it all goes to the same spot. Gotcha. The lighthouse down there. See sea turtles down there?
Wait, what is that white thing? Look at that.
the city.
We're literally out of the place. This is the tallest mountain. And look it.
We're not going down yet. We're going to take some pictures.
All right, y'all made it too.
Yeah. Oh, hi. We did it.
Pai, você vai perder esse telefone.
All right, we go down.
Isso vai dar umas 10 stories diferentes. Ele tá botando 30 segundos de vídeo.
Okay, let's go down.
Tirou o som, pai.
Oh, that's on. That's on Snap. Right, that's the back.
Look at that one. How did we even get to that one?
Inside, I don't know if they'll let you go inside or we can just look in there.
Upstairs, the stairs inside.
Yeah?
When you go upstairs, it's closed. It's already broken. So you have to go, no matter what, you have to go downstairs.
Okay, thank you. Lookout towers.
But how would we be able to shoot?
Well, it was more of a lookout thing to see like if enemy stuff was coming in. It's a bunker, so they probably had like they might have machine guns, but they probably had like lookout stuff. Go on in, see what we got. Be careful.
It's pretty creepy.
It is creepy, so we can't go any further. Maybe we can go down.
This one's closed off.
Be very careful. Be very careful.
Stop.
Are you holding on? What is? Are you holding on?
What?
Are you holding on?
Yeah. Well, do you want to come? This is so crazy though, too. There's something next time. How do we go out?
So this level's closed off. You can check it out. There's people coming up. We'll go down. After people come up, we'll go down when the ladder's free.
I wonder how they even built this. Who knows? But look,
So there was a bunker on that side you could look out. And then one over here. Where's this go?
oh, why was shit?
This is secret. The girls are gonna miss it. Be careful. Hold on. Let me see what we got. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, these are the steps that go down. Let's give them a call. See the answer. Okay. Does that make sense?
Dad, stop.
Now we get to work out different leg muscles to restrain yourself. Thanks for joining us on this walk up Diamond Hill. Experiences like this, sharing the trail, the views, and the history together, are what make travel so meaningful for our family. If you enjoyed exploring this hike with us, we'd love for you to like, subscribe, and continue the journey with the CRLM Travels. Until next time, happy travels.